How to hide suggested apps. In this tutorial shows you how to remove the row of predicted apps shown at the top of your drawer. First, open your app drawer by swiping up from your home screen. After that, tap on the three dots at the bottom right. From there, look for suggestions within this menu. At this point, tap on it to open the settings. In the next step, toggle it off to remove predicted apps from the top of your drawer. Following this, exit back and open your app drawer to confirm the suggested apps row is now gone. Once done, keep in mind if you'd only like to block a specific app from appearing here instead of disabling suggestions entirely, tap and hold that app. From here, check if a Don't Suggest This App option appears and select it if so. At this stage, this blocks just that one app while keeping suggestions on for everything else, if the option is available. Keep in mind, you can always return to the same menu later to turn suggestions back on if you change your mind. Finally, exit back to your home screen once you've adjusted your suggestion preferences. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide suggested apps in the app drawer, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.